Today I'm gonna install this ProFusion heater to help just a little bit. I mean, it's not bad in here. It's in the 30s outside and it is 58 degrees here in the shop. So I'm gonna install this just to take the chill off, and when not needed, we'll just turn it off. Okay, we're going to be installing it right here. There's a plug-in right behind the garage door opener, and it's going to help take the chill off in this room and bring it down. We already got our garage door insulated, and let me show you what the temperature is inside right now. Okay, it is 12:24 p.m. and it's just below 60, about 58, 59 degrees here inside the shop. And it is about 37 degrees outside. So it's doing pretty good. Just a little bit too chilly to work. I hope this takes the chill off. Let's get it mounted. Okay, here's our heater. And here is the mounting brackets. And they simply slide right into these. They click into these two arms, which are adjustable, and we're going to mount this thing right up here. We have an area marked and a plug right there, and we'll be able to swing it around and aim it down anywhere we need it here and direct some heat where we need to go. Stand by. Let me get this camera on the tripod. Okay, I know we're looking, so we got some other mounting holes, some auxiliary mounting holes that we can screw in and make this thing in one permanent location. But for now, that's a really good bite into a ceiling joist, and I'm pretty pleased with it. You know what? I'm going to tighten it down just a little bit more, because it's simply just slides in. All right, and we got mounting screws that go on each side of that. Let me get a little higher here. Screws are removable in case you ever need to take this down. You take these two little screws out, push this button, slide right off. All right. Okay, here's how you know it's working. You just click the pull chain, and we got it on setting number 2. The light's on. Easy peasy, right? I can feel it already. All right. Let's take a note of what our current temperature is. And here it's still at 58 degrees. Starting to really warm up pretty quickly. Okay, let's see how this works on number 2 just by itself for a few minutes. We'll give it about 15-20 minutes, and I'll do a temperature check in here. Okay, it's only been a couple of minutes, and let's see. We'll aim right above it and see what we get. We got 69 degrees right above it. The inside of the garage door is at 64. And I'm gonna suggest that's because the sun's hitting it. And this is about 10 feet away from the heater. At 63 degrees on the ceiling of the shop. Okay, now we click through and put it on setting number 3. And both heating elements are on. We'll let that go for a few minutes. Okay, it's still going, but I have it on high, or number 3, and I've been able to get it from 58 degrees to 65 degrees in here. However, let me be honest, The heat was a little concentrated on the ceiling. I just used this blower to blow up here on the ceiling, and it pushed the heat around in the room in various places. And let me show you what the thermometer now says in here. So there we are, 65 degrees. So that's an increase of 7 degrees in here. Oh, by the way, it's 55 outside with a wind chill factor of 51 degrees right now. Okay, there you have it. The ProFusion heater, ceiling mount heater for the shop. And I can tell you, I got this on sale at Northern Tool for 39 bucks plus tax. And I can tell you, it is a lot warmer in here than it was. I'm walking around in a t-shirt, and I'm considering putting some short pants on. I'm loving it. All right, thanks a bunch. Please subscribe.